Did you know most people know her only as the beautiful sister of Prince Philip, the late Duke of Edinburgh? But the story of Princess Cecilie of Greece and Denmark isn't just a tale of royalty. It is the story of a tragedy so harrowing it seems like a dark piece of fiction. On a cold November day in 1937, a single flight wiped out an entire branch of a royal dynasty. But it was what investigators found in the wreckage, a discovery that remains one of the most heartbreaking moments in aviation history that shocked the world. Today, we look at the life and the unthinkable final moments of Princess Cecilie. Cecilie was born into the heart of European royalty. She was refined, strikingly beautiful, and by all accounts, deeply loved. At just 20 years old, she married her cousin, Georg Donatus, the hereditary Grand Duke of Hesse. Together, they were the golden couple. They had 3 young children and a 4th on the way. By late 1937, Cecilie was 8 months pregnant. The family was preparing for a joyous occasion, the wedding of Georg's brother, Louis, in London. Despite being heavily pregnant, Cecilie prepared to board a flight from Germany to London. It was a journey she would never finish. On November 16th, the Runkers Ju 52 took off. On board were Cecilie, her husband, their 2 young sons, and Cecilia's mother-in-law. The weather was treacherous. Thick, heavy fog rolled across Belgium as they approached an intermediate stop. The pilot, a veteran of the skies, was desperate to land. But as he descended toward the airfield at Ostend, the aircraft clipped a factory chimney. The wing tore off. The plane erupted into flames and plummeted to the earth. There were no survivors. But as the smoke cleared and the investigators moved in, they realized the horror was even deeper than they imagined. In the wreckage, among the debris of what was supposed to be a celebratory trip, investigators found the remains of a 4th child. Cecilie had gone into labor mid-air. It is believed that the sheer terror and physical trauma of the crash caused Cecilie to give birth in the plane's final, terrifying moments. The infant was found beside her, a child born into fire and gone in an instant. Cecilia's story is a reminder that behind the crowns and the palaces are human beings who face unimaginable sorrow. If this story touched you, please hit the like button. It helps us keep the memory of these forgotten figures alive. Which royal story should we uncover next? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more untold history.